nekaj, kar je tisti občutek skupnosti, da se pa mogoče vse nekaj da. In to tudi je za nas vedno predstavljal ta festival in ta prostor svobode, kar je tudi sporočilo te instalacije, te vizualije, ki je na zunanjem delu stare elektrarne.
A river cannot be in court as itself. Yeah. So I guess the challenge is to think how can we humans represent nature in court, and for that I think we still should think about how our relationship with the ecosystem and how we can become guardians to a certain entity.
To experience the worst electric blackouts in its history. In virtual pipelines.
White middle-aged men are, like all human beings, quite alone in this universe. And so the question comes, we have to be attached to something. So the question comes, do we know anything? And if we know anything, how to know anything, and how to pass on if we know anything.
Let's move forward over there and get, your side of it.
Everybody is together in the room and very much in contact. And in that piece, it's much more about the sensory, what I would call sensory intelligence in relation to the material world.
Before embarking on this trip, my son got a present from his father, $100 bill. Now, this was supposed to be used to buy toys. Now, my son decided to sleep with this money.
Ta razstava se je začela v bistvu pred mnogimi leti, ko sem kupila tisto kvačkano torto, ki tam stoji. Ker ta kvačkana torta je meni nekaj najbolj smešnega, ki si lahko predstavljaš.
It's a show with my mother. 20 years ago I made a show with my parents, and it's looking at the passing of time. In the show we project the show from 20 years ago, and we kind of mix the image from now and the past, so there's very much a connection. It's about exploring what is a family and what is the meaning of family.
Mladi is a festival that likes to work on the long term with artists, and we try to keep this collaboration, and it feels very much as a family.